Hello, my name's Sarah White from Trinity Life. I'm the Senior Estate Planner here, and today's video is about lasting power of attorney. So we get asked regularly, do I need a lasting power of attorney? And the answer is yes. Everyone over the age of 18 is capable of losing capacity due to accident or illness. And because we just don't know what's around the corner, it is important to have these documents in place to put your chosen people who you trust to be able to make decisions for health and welfare and financial decisions. So there's two types of document, and we always recommend them both because you just don't know what could happen. And if something did happen, the chances are you would need the both documents. So they go hand in hand, but they are two separate documents. Now, with the health and welfare, you would appoint your perhaps family members or people you trust them to make health and welfare decisions for you should you be unable to. So these could be treatment decisions, whether or not you receive, if you're in intensive care, whether or not you're artificially fed. It could be a whole host of health and welfare decisions that may need to be made for you. If you're in later life, it could be care decisions, where you're cared for, how you're cared for. So these documents are really important to have in place because without them, the authorities would decide then what would happen to you. And if your family members disagreed, it could be, a case of, again, going to the court to make decisions about life-sustaining treatment and so forth for you. So that would be the only option with the health and welfare. Now, with the finances, that works slightly differently in that you can appoint your attorneys to make decisions, financial and property decisions for you, should you lose capacity. But you can also have it so they are authorised for all decisions. So it may be that you want them to do banking for you, may need them to move money, sell property even. It's a very powerful document, and your attorneys would be responsible for stepping into your shoes. So you do need to pick your attorneys wisely. These people need to be who you trust to make them decisions for you should you lose capacity. And because we don't know what could happen, this could be due to an accident or illness, could be in later life complications such as dementia and so forth. It really is important to get these documents in place. The sooner the better, while you have capacity, and that's the only time you can put them documents in place, is while you have the capacity to make them decisions. Now, if you need any information about lasting power of attorney, please do contact us via the website, and we can arrange a no obligation quote for you for putting these important documents in place. Thanks for listening.